was Ryan, was he pardoned?
He was pardoned, but did not accept it.
He did not accept it.
He didn't accept it.
Well, that's a big deal right there, because that actually tells you that when you get pardoned, sometimes they just fluff it off, and that's the result. But now you can, if he denied it, you can go anywhere.
Well, and we were worried that he was going to get rearrested and all of that, and they were going to try to make an example for this. However, when it finally came down and stuff, he printed it out. He printed it out that it had his name and everything, but he didn't. What he did was he said, the thing is that while I've got this certificate that says that I'm pardoned, I in the court of law, he said no, and so he was the only J6er that was allowed to go to the appellate court. And the reason why he was able to go to the appellate court, because they dismissed all of the pardoned people. They would not hear it. They said, you're pardoned. It doesn't matter. It's a moot point. And so, but they looked at Ryan's case and
they could have had a civil suit, but that's going to take a long time to get through the courts, right?
Well, this lays the foundation for a class action lawsuit.
Yes, amongst all of them.
Yes,
renewing all of their their before they took the poison pill of the pardons, right? That's a poison pill, because they gave you a pill that you can't act after that. Well, now this resurrects them, doesn't it?
Well, it pretty much does, because even though you've been pardoned, it's still it still goes back to what happened. And so we're now talking with Roger and M, and making sure that we got over I's dotted or T's crossed, and making sure that's going and it's moving forward. And and as we move up into the federal judicial system again, that we've gained a lot of power out of Ryan winning, and having his case dismissed. So because he's a free man, they cannot ever attach anything to him.
Yeah.
Now, because of that being dismissed, he's been literally found innocent. And so these are now that, and so now what happened to him? And so we're going to be looking at the evidence, which is starting with the fruit of the poisonous tree. We're going to go back to the tree itself, and we're going to start moving forward. And as we move forward, all 1,600 J6ers will also be a part of as that's moving forward.
So in this case now, you can't just go straight to the Supreme Court. You got to sort of start over, but you got all your things in line that you can do this, and they have to accept the case and rule on it. Is that right?
Well, no, I mean, the Supreme Court never has to. They can say no, this is not something that they're going to accept. The thing is that I think that, and what we're hoping is that it's enough, because we have proven judicial misconduct. We have proven prosecutorial misconduct.
Mm-hmm.
We've proven Brady violations. We've proven that we have Capitol police officers that perjured themselves on the stand. So which
could involve whoever was in government that told them that to do that.
And again, we're going to be looking at all of that aspect. But the thing is that one of these could go and be ruled on, and has been ruled on. But the thing is that we haven't had a case where it was so egregious, right. And we also can prove that it was politically motivated, because you have me that was never arrested and never convicted, Okay. And Ryan, who was with me 100% of the time, was and weaponized against my campaign. And so the thing is that we have all of those components. So we have 5 components that I just listed off that are egregious in themselves, but we have this all wrapped up in one case.
Wow.